A few months ago, I discovered that starting a real business doesn't require a team or a huge factory. All you need is a single machine and some creativity. In today's video, I'll show you 5 incredible one-person machines that can fit in your small space and help you launch a business that people will pay for every single day. We'll cover what each machine does, how it works, the materials you need, the costs, and where to sell the products. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 3D Wall Printing Machine Robot. Imagine being able to print intricate, 3D wall designs directly onto any surface in your home or office. This 3D wall printer works by using advanced robotics to create stunning custom patterns, murals, and textures on walls, ceilings, and even floors. It's perfect for interior designers, contractors, or anyone looking to add a personal touch to a space. The machine is surprisingly compact, fitting easily in smaller workshops or even a home office. To operate, you simply load your design onto the printer's software, and the robot takes over, printing in layers on your surface. It can handle a variety of materials like plaster, cement, and even some lightweight construction materials. Some sellers even have shown how to print on trucks and cars directly. A basic model of this machine starts at around $800, with high-end models going up to $6,500. You'll also need materials like specialty inks or paints, which are easy to source from home improvement suppliers. Who's buying? Interior designers, homeowners, real estate companies, and commercial spaces looking for unique and customizable wall treatments. This machine gives you the chance to offer high-end, one-of-a-kind designs that can be sold as part of a home renovation or interior decor business. Number 2. Portable and high-speed laser engraver. This next machine is a game-changer for creating highly detailed metal engravings or custom branding. The portable high-speed laser engraver can engrave logos, text, or even intricate designs onto metal name cards, keychains, jewelry, and various other products. It's fast, precise, and compact enough to fit into small spaces. With just a few clicks, you can create custom metal business cards, personalized gifts, or branding products for small businesses. You load the product, set the engraving design on the software, and let the machine do its magic. Laser engraving is particularly valuable for items like metal name cards, wallets, or personalized gifts, which are in high demand. Prices for portable and good laser engravers start around $600, with professional models reaching up to $5,000. Materials you'll need include metal sheets or metal-coated products, which you can find through online suppliers or local hardware stores. Who are your buyers? Small businesses, event planners, corporate gift buyers, and custom gift shoppers. If you can target local businesses in need of branded items or personalized products, this machine could provide a steady stream of orders. Number 3. Custom UV T-shirt Printer. If you've ever wanted to create custom apparel, a UV t-shirt printer is a fantastic way to start. This printer uses ultraviolet light to cure ink onto fabrics, allowing you to create full-color designs on t-shirts, hoodies, socks, and even base caps. The UV technology ensures the designs are vibrant, durable, and can withstand multiple washes. Operating the machine is simple. Load the garment, choose or upload your design, and let the printer do the rest. You can print one-off designs or bulk orders, making it flexible for all types of customers. The UV printer is perfect for businesses that specialize in custom fashion, gifts, or merchandise for teams and events. Starting models for a UV t-shirt printer typically cost between $400 to $1,600, with more advanced versions going up to $3,800. You'll need fabric-friendly inks and various blank items like shirts, socks, and caps, all of which are easy to source. Who's buying? Local businesses, custom merch brands, fashion designers, event planners, and even small clothing stores. Custom merchandise is a growing market, and with UV printing, you can offer higher quality, more durable prints compared to traditional methods. Number 4. Portable UV Fingernail Printer. This next machine might seem a little out there, but it's incredibly popular in the beauty and personal care space. The portable UV fingernail printer allows you to print any design, picture, or text directly onto customers' nails in just seconds. Customers can choose from preset designs or upload their own photos for a completely personalized experience. The process is simple. The customer picks their design, places their fingers under the UV printer, and within moments, their nails are adorned with unique art. The machine works using UV ink that cures instantly, ensuring long-lasting designs. You can find these machines starting at around $180, with higher-end models going up to $1,100. The key materials are UV inks, nail polish removers, and other beauty tools, all of which are easy to source. Who's buying? Beauty salons, spas, nail technicians, and anyone looking to offer a high-end, personalized nail art service. The beauty industry is massive, and the demand for unique, fast nail art is growing, making this machine an exciting business opportunity. Number 5. Desktop Laser Cutter or Engraver. The last machine on this list is the Desktop Laser Cutter and Engraver. This machine is perfect for creating custom wood products, including personalized signs, decorative pieces, and functional items like coasters, cutting boards, or even furniture. It can also cut through a variety of materials like acrylic, leather, and certain types of metal. The laser cutter works by directing a powerful laser beam onto your material to make precise cuts or engravings. It's ideal for small-scale businesses that need to produce custom, high-quality items without a large factory setup. The machine is small enough to fit on your desk or workbench, making it perfect for anyone with limited space. Prices for desktop laser cutters start around $400, with higher-end models reaching $2,500. You'll need materials like wood, acrylic sheets, leather, or specialty engraving materials, which are readily available online or from local suppliers. Who's buying? Local businesses, event planners, gift shops, and custom decor companies. This machine is ideal for creating unique products that have a strong demand in niche markets. Custom signage, engraved gifts, and home decor are all popular options for selling these items. So, there you have it. 5 one-person machines that can fit in your small space and help you start a real business in 2025. Whether you're into interior design, personalized fashion, or custom woodwork, these machines give you the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. The best part? Each of these machines offers high profit potential, low overhead, and can be operated solo. If you're looking for the perfect way to enter the world of product creation without a huge team or factory, any of these 5 machines could be the ideal fit for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which of these machines would you start your business with? Let me know! And make sure to check out our other videos for more tips on launching a one-person business from home. If you are interested in any of the machines described, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. We are based in Shenzhen, China, the largest market on earth for electronics, parts, and components. We can assist you with purchasing these machines and ensuring they are safely shipped to your location worldwide, even with DHL Express within 3 to 6 days. See you in our next video.